Hi everyone, my name is Anurag Gupta, and in this particular video we will see what Odoo CRM offers us. In this particular video we will only go through with the Odoo CRM website. If you want a dedicated CRM tutorial video, CRM demo video, then please refer our other videos for this. In this particular video we will just go through with Odoo CRM's website and we will try to analyze what are the things that they offer to us. So once we land on their particular website, then here is the button for sign up. Here is the button for contacting one of their sales executive. Then we land on this video. This video tell us most about the Odoo CRM, what we can do in Odoo CRM, but we are going to cover in this video. Then we don't need to watch this video right now. You can check out this video in their website. So here we first on our first segment, here it says that we can create new leads. For example, we just need to create on new, then a small 3 or 4 field pop-up window will appear. In that pop-up video we will put our lead information. After the lead information is given, we can save that. This will create a little nice card like this. For example, here, this card like this, and then we can click on this card and we can give additional detail into this particular Odoo CRM. And after filing those details, once we have qualified the application, then we can just click it and drag it to other location, just right happening in this particular video, right? So what we can Odoo CRM is, we can create a new lead by clicking new. We can provide some small details, then we can save that. After saving, there is a small nice card. We can click on that card to add other information. Then we can drag that card to other pipelines as it move in the particular life cycle, right? So let's jump on our next segment. So in the previous segment we have seen how we can create a new lead and how we can move through the life cycle and how we can add the information into that particular card. In this segment, Odoo says that we can schedule a bunch of activities. For example, in our sales process, there are 5 or 10 activities that are being placed there every time we are dealing with a particular customer, or there are some activities which are fixed. So what we can do in Odoo CRM is we can fix those activities there, and once one activity is done, then we can plan it that either we can trigger another activity or I can suggest one activity to the user. So this is what we can do in this particular segment. What we can do is we can schedule multiple activities that can be triggered one after the other in our Odoo sales process. So this is what we can schedule in Odoo CRM. The next thing is effective communication. Effective communication, what is it saying is we can do communication in two manner in Odoo. For example, one is the internal team discussion that everyone would be able to see what is happening with this lead. Second is the email communication. So in Odoo we can do both the things. So here is this segment. Once we click on send message, then we can type the name of the person. If the name is exist on in our this Odoo CRM, then particular person is tagged into this timeline, and whatever will happen, they will be able to see that. Second thing is we can also connect this with our email ID. What we can do is we can connect email with Odoo and we can send or receive messages on that particular email ID. But please make sure that please note this, that we can only receive messages for the replies of particular email. For example, we have created one email right from here and someone is replying on that email, then we will be able to see the reply in this particular timeline, right? This is one thing. If someone is sending new email message, then we would not be able to see that right here, right? So the next thing is integrate with email, live chat, SMS, VoIP. You need to check out this as per your country requirement. Email is, I believe, global. Then live chat, we can internally do the live chatting. SMS and VoIP, you need to check out this as per your country requirement. After this, we have attach quotation in 2 clicks. Quotation feature is really a dedicated topic, and you can watch our other videos in Odoo quotation. But in Odoo quotation, what we can do is there is a nice little quotation button. We can add multiple product into the quotation segment, and we can create one document out of that. What that document can contain? It can contain one header. It can contain the home page. It can contain the costing of the product, it can contain the footer, it can contain the terms and condition, it can contain the product brochure, catalog, or etc., whatever you want to add in this particular catalog. And how much time do this will take to create? It will take some time in setup, but once you are convinced and your product are best suit for this particular feature, that is this quotation creation feature, if you are able to create quotation for your business in this quotation creation, then it will take very less time to create quotations, right? But you need to first figure it out ki this quotation system suits your requirement or not, whether it will be fixed in your industry, in your company or not, right? Most of the people don't like it, but those who like it, they can really fast track their work, right? Then we have our next segment, turn reporting data into money. What is this reporting data? Reporting data is how the leads are moving in our particular system. We can see the lead data at a glance. There is a reporting or dashboard section in Odoo, and we can see all these reports there, right? Then we have all the features done, right? The features that I had explained you earlier, this is just that. One is AI lead scoring. AI lead scoring is basically enable automation is the activity that we can do. Reduce manual entry means quotations, the quotation feature they are talking about. Manage leads, create, acquire, import, nurture, score, etc. Manage all assets of your leads in a single place. You can do most of the things in one window in Odoo. That is what it is saying in this particular segment. Then it says AI lead scoring. What is AI lead scoring? AI lead scoring is basically, once we put information into Odoo, then there are multiple kind of informations that we can provide to Odoo, and based on those informations, Odoo decide particular Odoo gives a score to this lead. You can obviously change that score as per your requirement, but Odoo can also assign a lead on based on that. Plus Odoo also take a reference from our earlier won and loss cases, how it is going to give score to our new leads, right? So this is AI lead scoring. I believe most of the things is done till yet. Then it is cross-selling, or I can say promoting their other application. They are having sales, subscription, email, events, etc. And here is a client tutorial that it is saying the Odoo is flexible. We can do changes in Odoo. Unless you grow, unleash your growth potential, start now. And here is a little start button. So that's all about Odoo website. You can check our dedicated video in Odoo tutorial. If you still have any doubt and you want to talk to someone who can guide you in this Odoo journey, then you can contact us. We are from Odoo. We are from MXD Software Private Limited, and our email is mxdsoftware@gmail.com. You can also WhatsApp us at 918750774829. Right? Thanks guys. This is all for this video. Thanks.